From backyard cricket as a kid to representing my country,
The key to staying on top of my game is balance.
Anytime, anywhere.
Just like I need to be.
Hi, I'm Liam Livingston.
I'm Jimmy Neesham.
This is Rahmanullah Gurbaz.
I'm Will Jacks.
Whether I'm bowling Yorkers, hitting sixes, or going through a tough training session,
The schedule can be intense, but it's all a part of the grind. Whether I'm at the gym, traveling for a series, staying in hotels,
Constant training and match days.
And let's be honest, I love my smoothies.
the Hamilton Beach portable blender is my go-to for fueling up.
I can make my smoothies on the go.
It fits right into my bag.
I can throw in my favourite fruits, blend anywhere, and stay fueled without missing a beat.
Fresh smoothies or protein shakes, sorted.
And with the Hamilton Beach portable blender, I know I'm making the right choices.
It's more than just a blender, it's become part of my performance routine.
Fuel your body right anywhere at any time with the Hamilton Beach portable blender.